What's up everyone, this is Drake. Today's video is a review over the Chase Freedom. This was actually my second credit card. I tried to apply for it to be my first credit card, but I ended up getting denied. Instead I got the Capital One Quicksilver, which was a great card as well. I recently did a review on this, so if you want to watch that, I'll leave a link below in the description. The Chase Freedom has been a great credit card for me so far. In this video I'm going to cover what the sign-up bonus is, as well as some of the other perks that come along with it. I'll also be covering the flex value. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, and everybody go ahead and smash that like button. That'd be a huge help for my new channel to continue to grow. Alright, let's get right into the video. Here's a closer look at the Chase Freedom. Go ahead and comment below right now what you think the flex value is of this credit card. Then I'll go over what I think mine is and why. You can see the front color pretty well. I'll go ahead and show you what the side is. Got the neon green on the side, pretty cool. The blue on the front. Go ahead and comment below right now what you think the flex value is. Now it's time to give my opinion on the flex value. The flex value for this card, I gave a 4 out of 10. I gave 2 points just because it's a Chase credit card. I've always really been interested in Chase credit cards, so that's just my opinion. That I really do like the Chase brand, so I give it 2 points for that. I gave it 1 point for the blue front. It's a pretty cool front, kind of like the holographic blue with a little bit of white and whatnot. And then I gave it another 1 point for the neon green side. So in total, I got a 4 out of 10. Still not a huge flex, but it's getting up there compared to my Capital One Quicksilver. I'm going to start off by going over the Chase Freedom sign-up bonus. In order to get this bonus, you have to spend $500 in the first 3 months, and in return you get $150 cash back. Instead of just redeeming my cash back, instead I'm going to go ahead and wait until I get the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserved and transfer my points over that. I'm going to do this because I get a lot more value for my money if I do this instead of just redeeming it for cash back, because I can redeem it for travel and you get a lot more bang for your buck for that. This is a pretty low minimum spend at $500 in 3 months. There are some cards that are a lot higher in minimum spend. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, I think it's $4,000 or $5,000 in the first 3 months. And you don't want to go ahead and buy a bunch of random stuff that you wouldn't buy before just to hit that minimum spend. You want to make sure you have to buy these things, then you get the credit card. The huge reason I was drawn to this credit card is because of the 5% rotating categories. Another credit card that does this is the Discover It. But I prefer the Chase Freedom because I can transfer my points to the Chase Sapphire Preferred and get my travel rewards at a higher value than just redeeming my cash, which I would have to do on the Discover It credit card. So that's why I like the Chase Freedom more than that credit card, which is very similar. But the Chase Freedom, this current quarter, it has gas stations, drugstores, and tolls. So I've been using it a lot for gas stations. It's been very helpful there to get my cash back, 5%. And then later on, like I said, I will transfer my points over when I do get the Chase Sapphire Preferred to maximize my travel rewards points. One of the downfalls of this credit card is that you can only go up to 1,500 points in each category. So if you spend $1,500 at gas stations, tolls, and drugstores, then once you get there, you can only spend, you go back down to 1%. So after you get to that, everything else goes to 1%. If you buy something out of the 5% category for that quarter, you only get 1% cash back on your money. And like I said, if you go over the $1,500, you only get 1% cash back after that on that current quarter. That's just a quick overview of the Chase Freedom credit card. I hope you guys enjoyed and maybe got a little more insight if this could be a good credit card for you or not. I'm still debating on what I want my first travel credit card to be. I'm torn between the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the American Express Gold Card. If you prefer one over the other, please go ahead and leave a comment below. That'd be very helpful for me. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. It really helps me out as a new channel to continue to grow and build my watch time. Please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.